Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Make sure your phone runs iOS 13 Plus or Android 8 and Bluetooth is on. Install the JBL Headphones app now, because the app is the only supported path for full features. Once installed, charge the JBL Tour Pro 2 above 20% and open the case so the earbuds enter pairing mode. After that, keep the app open and stay on the screen. You'll be ready for the device pairing step in seconds. Now you move into pairing and setup inside the app. You'll see a device list. Tap JBL Tour Pro 2. Grant requested permissions like location and notifications because the app uses them to scan and manage the earbuds. If the app prompts for firmware updates or onboarding steps, follow them. Those updates enable features and stability. Make sure to keep the earbuds near the phone and do not close the app until the app confirms the connection and shows battery and status information. Finish by testing core features. Play audio, try touch controls, toggle ANC, and invoke the voice assistant to verify everything works. Once done, personalize your sound with the app EQ and assign functions to each earbud. Also install any remaining firmware updates to lock and fixes. If something goes wrong, use one key troubleshooting step. Restart the JBL Tour Pro 2, place in case and hold button or use reset procedure, reboot your phone, then reinstall and reopen the app. This sequence resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.